Hello, hello, teacher. This is me again, Teacher Jane. And if you want to be a teacher in USA, I'm here to help you, guide you, and give you some tips. So if you are planning to be a teacher here in United States of America and you are planning to apply in a visa sponsor like EPI, so that's my visa sponsor. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some insights about the pre-screening interview and teacher qualification interview. So let's go. Okay, so before that, there's a comment from my first video, and he or she said that can you help me by listing pre-screen interview questions and teacher qualification interview questions in English. So here I am now making my doing my best that I can to give some insight about the pre-screen and the teacher qualification interview. Okay, so if you've watched my first video about how to create an account through EPI, and if you already prepared and uploaded all your documents that are needed, so they will gonna be invite you for a pre-screen interview. So this pre-screen interview is a 15-minute interview. So just a reminder, you need to be watchful of your email because email is the only one, the major communication between you and your visa sponsor. Okay, so now it is a 15-minute interview, and usually the question uh, they ask me at that time were about the documents I uploaded. So it's like they are verifying those with you. So here are the question. First is tell me about yourself. Second, are you currently teaching? Because if you are applying for a J1 visa or the teacher exchange visitor program, you need to be currently teaching. So, what grade level? What subject are you teaching? So, if you are an elementary teacher, make sure that you are teaching the three major subjects like math, science, and English. Okay. Next one is do you have plan to stay in the USA? This one is a tricky question because if you are a teacher from the Philippines, only from the Philippines, I don't know about the other country. We all know that we need to go back home for 2 years in our home country after the program. So the answer should be no. And you should also be familiar with the J1 visa rules. So you need to research on that because sometimes they might ask you about the program. Okay, so after that, you nail the pre-screen interview. They will email you. You will receive an congratulatory message, and they will invite you to another interview, which is the teacher qualification interview, or they call it TQI. Okay, it is a 45-minute interview that feels like an actual principal interview. And the last 15 minutes will lead to your 20-second video resume. So this will be the US principal's first impression of you and a chance for them to get to know you better. If it turns out well, it could lead to an interview with a school, so you need to do your best here. Okay, let's talk about the 20-second video resume. Before you schedule your TQI, in that email that you're going to receive or after the pre-screen interview, they will give you questions They will actually it's a long email. The email, they will guide you about what to do during the TQI, and they will give you some tips, a video about it. So that's how EPI works. They are so organized. Okay, so they will gonna give you some question that you want to answer for your video resume. Okay, so and you'll get to choose from them. Okay, so this is for the video resume. My tip is to prepare a good answer, memorize it, and practice it within the 20-second limit because it's only just 20 seconds. Okay, so after that, if you already have your own answer, so record yourself and watch your own performance. I did it when I was applying in through EPI. So when I already have my chosen question. So I make my own answer, and I record myself for 20-second limit, and then I watch my own performance. Okay, so I will know when or where do I need to improve myself. Of course, you need to be confident and make sure that your audio and your camera are clear. Okay, so these are the possible questions that might be asked during the TQI. Some of them were asked to me, while the other I gathered from other EPI applicants during our time. Just post the video, write down the questions, and prepare your own answers. Reminder, it would be better if you provide examples from your own class because they want to know if you are doing these things. And also be ready for the follow up questions regarding your answer. They always have some follow up questions. Okay, so be ready with that. Okay, so now I will post some possible questions for teacher qualification interview. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my short video, and I hope it helps you. Bye and see you to my next video. Please subscribe my channel, like it. Thank you. Bye.